Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi A1. So from any screen there, you've got media, radio, you've got telephone up here, or menu. If you press menu, you can get to the telephone. There you go, telephone, like so, or you can just click the telephone. Now here we go. In each of the corners there's an instruction. There is settings. That corresponds to these 4 buttons here around the selector, the rotary selector. So we'll click on settings. Then here, use the rotary selector to go down to Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. You've got Bluetooth. If you have any problems pairing or anything, just make sure there's an on next to Bluetooth there. And you've got Bluetooth audio player, bonded Bluetooth devices. That's what we want to delete. And you see there, that's mine. So actually, let me just delete this. So forget this device, otherwise it won't let me do it. Not my Bluetooth off. So you see there, my phone's not connected anymore. But if I just select that now, it gives you the option to delete it or connect it if it was bonded. So delete. Do you really want to delete? So we just have to select yes, yes.